What's going on, you guys? Jacob Hartley here. Today in this video, I want to go over and explain to you visually how the Goringless SMS program works. This technology is absolutely amazing when used the right way. So let me show you how I do this and explain to you how this thing works, and I'll show you visually. I'm a visual learner, so that's how I like to teach. So let's get right into it. So right when you sign up, you will get your own assigned SMS phone number right here. And when somebody texts the word go to that phone number that they assign to you, it will send out an automated text to them right there on their phone. Now, this company uses Ringless voicemail to send messages to people. Now, how it works is, let me show you how this works visually. So I'm going to draw this out. All right, so when you sign up, the company gives you 75,000 targeted leads. Let me right there, leads. They give you 75,000 targeted leads. These are people that came through capture pages throughout the internet. They're fresh leads. They're people that are looking for an opportunity. They're looking for a way to generate income and to work from home. So what we do is we will send them a ringless voicemail, an RVM, a ringless voicemail, and they listen to the message on their phone. The phone doesn't ring, so it creates curiosity. They want to find out who it was that sent them this voicemail. So they listen to it, and it tells them to text the word go to the number that they see on the caller ID. And so the number that they see on the caller ID is your Go Ringless phone number. When they text the word go, they will get the link texted to them automatically right there on their phone to your website. So whatever website that is, by default it is your Go Ringless website, but that could be swapped out. You can put any website in there. You can put in a lead capture page and then have the lead capture page redirect them to your website. In my training, after you sign up, I teach you how to duplicate a lead capture page. It's very simple. It has email autoresponders tied to it. It automates the whole system. So as these leads get your voicemail, they text the word go, they go to your capture page, let's say, they put in their email address, and then they go to your website and they sign up. Every time somebody signs up, if you're promoting the technology, you will earn a $500 commission. And believe me, people will pay that amount for this technology because it works. You get 75,000 leads every single month for free for the one-time payment that it costs to join this. Now it is $597, but out of that $597, you get paid $500. That's a huge lion's share. That $97 gets paid to the company. Okay, that's what they make, but you make the huge lion's share of this. And so what ends up happening is the people that join you, they're going to ask you, okay, what do I do? How do I start doing this? How do I get started? Well, after you sign up, I send you a link to my training site that teaches you how to do all of this step by step. So what you're going to do is you're going to forward that email right along to these signups so that they can have it too. They can duplicate the process. You guys, it seems very technical. It's not. It's very, very simple. It's very easy. Yes, there's a lot going on behind the scenes, but in my training, I show you how to make this very simple. I'm a visual learner. I teach visually. I literally show you how to do this. I don't just talk about it, but I actually show you step by step. Here's where you go. This is what you click on. This is what you copy. This is what you paste. So you will be guided through from start to finish on what to do, on how to do this. Now let's talk some numbers here really quick. Let's say you made one sale a day for 30 days. So that will be $15,000. One sale a day for 30 days, that's $15,000. Let me ask you this. Where can you go right now and make that amount of money at a job? I don't personally know of any jobs that are paying that much per month. There are some very high-skilled, highly educated jobs where you can probably get paid that much per month, but it takes a lot of time to get there, a lot of studying, many years of education. You have to pay a lot in money for schooling. So $15,000. Now, because of the one-up compensation plan, every sale that you make, the first sale that they make has to pass up to you as the sponsor. So if each person got their one sale, that's another $15,000, okay? Which totals $30,000 a month. And that's just with one sale, you guys. Now my record, the record that I've had is 28 sales in one day. That's in one day. Now imagine just doing one sale. This is very simple. I can teach you how to do this. You'll learn how to do this inside my training. So right after you sign up, I will email that training to you. You're welcome to forward that along to any of your signups so that they have it. But you will learn exactly this flow, how this is set up, and you will be able to set it up yourself. If you get stuck on anything, call me, reach out to me, let me know so I can do a screen share with you. I can help you get set up, walk you through this. You guys, this is very simple. You don't have to have technical skills to do this. If you know how to send an email, you have enough skills to be able to do this. It's that simple. Anyhow, I appreciate you guys sticking with me in this video. If this sounds like something that you want to do, go ahead and get started. Where else are you going to be able to generate this type of income from home and do it very simply and automatic? There aren't very many opportunities that are legitimate where you can actually do this. This program, you guys, is legitimate. It's logical. Think about it. You're sending leads, voicemails, then they text go, and they get sent the link to your website, and you put cash in the bank. That's it. That's the funnel. Very simple. So if you want to go ahead and get started, you can sign up with me by going to www.goringlesstexting.com. Again, that will put you with me. That's goringlesstexting.com. Right when you sign up, I'll send you the email with my training, and then you can reach out to me anytime. I have occasional trainings that I do that I will update you on brand new trainings and marketing and advertising methods that I use. I will share those with you so you can do it as well. And I look forward to working with you guys. Go ahead and get set up, and we'll see you on the inside. Have a great day.